U.S. government is built on the principle of equality. But what exactly does that mean? Scholars define equality as the principle that all people, regardless of their differences, should be treated as equals. Let's break down that definition and get a little bit more specific. There are three ways to think about equality. Equality in fundamental human rights. All individuals are entitled to the same human rights. Equality before the law. Equal treatment under the law as guaranteed by the Constitution. And equality of citizenship. Equal status and rights as citizens. Now, the framers of the United States were not claiming that all individuals are the same in their personal qualities, such as physical strength, intelligence, or artistic talent. They also were not saying that a government is established to enforce equality or uniformity in the way people think, act, or live, or to ensure that everyone has the same wealth and economic success. They were saying that all of us are inherently created equal, and therefore all people have a right to equal treatment. And it is the government's job to make sure everyone is treated equally under the law. The framers came from a society where a king ruled over his subjects and where individuals were treated differently under the law based on their family lineage, wealth, and status. They challenged the prevailing beliefs of their time. They were guided by Enlightenment principles, especially the groundbreaking notion of inherent equality, that all people are equal. They believed in the equal treatment of all under the law, which is why they enshrined this foundational principle in the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. The framers recognized that achieving equality was a work in progress and that it would require the ability to make changes. So they included tools in the Constitution to allow for future efforts to work towards full equality. For instance, the framers included a process to amend and change the Constitution. The 14th Amendment was necessary because state governments were not treating all citizens equally under the law, nor providing due process to all. Today, the 14th Amendment guarantees equal protection for all individuals, regardless of age, race, gender, ethnicity, ability, or sexual orientation. Landmark Supreme Court cases, such as Brown v. Board of Education and Obergefell v. Hodges, have used the 14th Amendment to extend these protections to more groups in the United States. So why should equality matter to you? What would society look like without equality?